There was one other thing that I wanted to mention. Now, where's my finger? There's a wire that's going down this way. This wire is broken, and the end of that wire is right here. So that wire going down here along the fence is hanging right there. But the neighbor came over, and they're the homeowners over there, came over and they said that the wire that was hanging right there is also hanging on their tree, right on this, where's my finger, that branch right there. Now let's see if I can get a better angle. So there's these two wires that are going right down this way, and they're sitting on top of their plant. There's a big yellowish tree, but it's hanging off this big tree up here, right there, and going down. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. I don't know what type of wire that is. It was down when we got here, and it belongs to that thing right there. I don't know what that is, and I'll take a picture of it.